Hey, this is Todd, and you're watching Real Space Junk. Today we're going to take a look at a couple of pairs of transistors by Fairchild. They're the 2N696 and 2N697, as well as the 2N1131 and the 2N1132. They were used in the Explorer 12 and the Minuteman missile and the B-70 bomber, as well as by IBM for their magnetic core memory. So we're going to start by looking at some of these Fairchild 2N697s. You can tell by the date code these were from 1960, and the other interesting thing about these is you can see on the top they've got those symbols. Well, if you look at it carefully, you can tell that it's an F with a little arrow pointing towards it. I believe this is called their flying F or stylized F. These are all the same, but these are early editions from Fairchild. Next, we're going to look at some 2N697s from some other manufacturers. The top left corner there, you see the Psi symbol is Pacific Semiconductor. There's an older black version and a slightly newer silver version. You can see there's a Texas Instruments and General Transistor. And we've got a CDC. And then last but not least is the GE. Here's a cool board with a couple of Fairchild 2N697s on it. I'm assuming this is some sort of a logic board that was built before the integrated circuits came around. You can see the glass CGW capacitors on the back, as well as some resistors. Not sure what this was for. And you can see one is the older with the stylized F, and then other one is newer, but both are Fairchild 2N697s. Here's a very cool older Fairchild. It's the 2N1131. You can see it's all in black, and it's got the stylized F on the top of it. It's also got a date code here of F9, which I've not seen before, and none of my references say, but I'm assuming that stands for the F week or month of 1959. So clearly a very early version of the Fairchild 2N1131 gold leads. Here are a few more versions of the 2N1131. As you can see, there's Texas Instruments and Motorola. We've got Fairchild, Raytheon, and Hughes. I think these are all military versions. Here's a few of the 2N1131s from Fairchild that are unused. And finally, I'm going to talk about these Delco 251Ms from the Minuteman program. On the back of it, you can see these Transitron ST852Ms as well. These were from some sort of power supply for the Minuteman missile. That one's missing one of them, but still a pretty neat artifact of the time. Thank you for watching Real Space Junk. Please like and subscribe, and if you're interested, tune in for some future videos. The next video I'm going to put together is one on Telebit, which was used in the Explorer 6 and a couple of the Pioneer missions. Should be very interesting because I've got some actual modules from the Telebit and the transistors that went inside of them. So cool. Please tune in again. Look for my next video. Thanks.